This video will demonstrate how we change the oil on the Craftsman R140 30-inch decked riding lawnmower, powered by a 10.5 horsepower Gas Briggs and Stratton single-cylinder engine. This small engine takes 1/4 4-cycle full synthetic oil. Tools needed is an 1/2 inch or 14 millimeters open-end wrench for the square head oil drain plug. Then this homemade channel made out of thick aluminum foil, about 13 to 14 inches long. More on this later. And not to forget an oil drain pan and a small funnel. As usual, all the links for these items and more will be in the description below. Before draining the oil, it's a good idea to run the engine a few minutes to get it warmed up enough for more thorough oil flow when draining. Zooming in just to the right side of the battery here. The drain plug that needs to be removed can be easily seen. And because of poor design, a gutter is needed. We're making one out of extra thick aluminum foil since we can't find the original plastic one that came with the mower. This will catch and guide the oil into the oil pan once the oil plug is removed. Also, to help the oil flow towards the pan, we place a 4x4 under the two opposite side wheels to give it some extra pitch and avoid oil from flowing the opposite way and spill under the engine. We also pull out the oil dipstick, in which is the filler cap as well, and this will also help the oil outflow. Using an 1/2 inch or 14 millimeter open-end wrench, we loosen the square head oil drain plug, and before unthreading the rest by hand, we make sure the gutter is aiming into the drain pan. Once it stops coming out, we take the gutter out of the way and wipe all spilled oil if any. We thread the drain plug back on and tighten it with the 1/2 inch or 14 millimeter wrench. And we're not ready to refill the engine with oil. This 4-cycle small engine takes 1 whole quart of full synthetic oil, as I mentioned earlier. See the description of this video for more details on this oil and if you need to order it. Once it's all in, we level the mower and insert the dipstick to check the oil level. I like checking it at least twice. And it's all right on the full mark. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.